Hey guys, I thought I'd do an updated video on how I clean my range brass. So I've already deprimed the brass, haven't resized it. So I've got my range brass. I use some citric acid. I've got a rotary tumbler. Usually fill it up to just underneath the neckline there. Once I've deprimed it, I also use these steel pins. That way it gets inside of primer pocket, gets inside of the case, and cleans it real well. I also use some Dawn dish soap. I use about 3, maybe 4/4 teaspoons of that. Just a little less than a 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid. I also use hot water, just straight out of the sink. So let me go ahead and get this all together and I'll show you it on the tumbler. Alright guys, got everything mixed up here. Got it in the tumbler. We're going to let it run for about 45 minutes to an hour. I'll show you guys the results when we're done. Alright, so I finished with the tumbler in about an hour. I just pour just a little bit at a time here into this Lyman turbo sifter, which cleans out the pins and the dirty water. And I just kind of shake it, all the pins are out, and just repeat that process till I got them all out. Today's a nice sunny day, so I figured I'd just throw them out here on a chair and let them dry. But as you can see, these things look brand new. Primer pocket, pretty clean. Inside of the case, pretty clean. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it, man. You guys have a good one.